Welcome back to Core Tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800, a premium custom graphics card that blends AMD's powerful RDNA architecture with ASUS ROG Strix engineering. In 2026, this GPU continues to stand strong for gamers who want reliable high-performance gaming with advanced cooling and refined aesthetics. ROG Strix design and build. The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 features ASUS's signature bold design with a reinforced metal frame and robust backplate. Its triple-fan cooling system is engineered for high airflow and durability, making it ideal for long gaming sessions. The card's premium build quality not only enhances thermal performance but also adds structural rigidity for large, high-end PC builds. RDNA Architecture Foundation. At the core of the 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 is AMD's RDNA-based architecture, optimized through driver updates and firmware refinements. This architecture delivers strong rasterization performance, improved efficiency, and better utilization of compute resources. The RX 6800 continues to benefit from AMD's focus on performance per watt, making it competitive even years after its original release. Gaming performance. In real-world gaming, the 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 excels at 1440p resolution, delivering smooth frame rates at high and ultra settings across modern AAA titles. Many games also run comfortably at 4K with optimized settings. Competitive titles benefit from consistent performance and low frame time variance, ensuring responsive gameplay. Ray tracing and FSR. Ray tracing performance on the 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 has improved thanks to mature drivers and better game optimization. While not as aggressive as some newer GPUs, ray-traced lighting and reflections are still enjoyable in supported titles. AMD's Fidelity FX Super Resolution plays a key role by boosting performance while maintaining sharp visuals, especially at higher resolutions. Memory and bandwidth. The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 comes equipped with 16GB of GDDR6 memory, providing ample headroom for modern textures, high-resolution assets, and future games. This generous memory capacity also makes the card suitable for creative workloads such as video editing, 3D modeling, and content creation. Cooling and power efficiency. Cooling is a standout feature of the 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800. The advanced heatsink and axial tech fans keep temperatures stable under load while maintaining quiet operation. Power efficiency remains solid for a high-performance GPU, especially when paired with a quality power supply and good case airflow. Software and customization. The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 is supported by AMD Adrenalin software, offering performance tuning, driver updates, and real-time monitoring. ASUS adds further customization through Aura Sync RGB support, allowing users to match lighting effects with the rest of their ROG ecosystem. Who is it for? The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 is ideal for gamers targeting high-refresh 1440p or entry-level 4K gaming. It's also a strong choice for creators who need extra VRM and stable performance. PC enthusiasts who value premium cooling and build quality will especially appreciate this model. Conclusion. The 2026 ROG Strix Radeon RX 6800 remains a powerful and well-rounded graphics card. With strong gaming performance, generous memory, excellent cooling, and mature software support, it continues to be a reliable choice in 2026 for performance-focused users.